I'm John Schofield from the Living Islands Movement. I've also been living in Mui Wo for more than 6 years now. I'd like to ask a practical question, really. As a gentleman from the government can see, this is a very kind of intimate community here. We're very close-knit. And I sincerely hope it won't happen, but if this were to become the rehabilitation centre, what kind of physical changes would be needed and security measures would be needed to isolate this community from the rest of the community? In other words, are we going to see this turn into a prison camp with searchlights and all the rest of it? Obviously, I hope that's not going to happen.
呢位先生喺梅窩已經居住咗6年啦。佢嘅問題咧就係好實在。佢話：如果呢間學校真係會變咗做一間戒毒嘅學校嘅話，佢嗰個本身學校嘅外貌會有啲咩轉變咧？會唔會突然間多咗一啲嘅安全嘅設施要做咧？有啲環境上面嘅改變咧？會唔會變咗好似一間監獄一樣咧
？OK， 唔該。係，我有喺貝澳羅村嘅居民代表嚟嘅。咁其實呢間南約區中學基本上就係話喺以往設校嘅時候就提供俾我哋整個南約區嘅居民嘅子女去就讀嘅。咁當然就話而家就話殺咗校啦，正生書院就想揾一個校址。其實政府有冇考慮一個地方就係話喺大嶼山一個塘福嗰個監獄嘅宿舍、職員宿舍同埋石壁嘅職員宿舍個空置率好高嘅，你可唔可以考慮下啲地方去改善，去俾佢哋用呢？其實有一樣嘢就係話，第一，佢哋遠離我哋民區資源，亦都係一個適合嘅地方。喺個監獄範圍嘅宿舍只要喺宿舍入邊可以改建個用途。既然政府口口聲聲話善用資源，而家嗰啲宿舍嘅空置率係好高嘅。既然咁浪費嘅話，點解唔將佢改變咗呢個用途，提供翻俾呢個正生書院去教翻班好嘅學生呢？係咪啊？唔該晒。
This gentleman is from Puyo, and he raised the question and says that our school belongs to ours, the resident of South Lantau. There are many vacated staff quarters in Shapik and Tongfuk, and they can be easily renovated for the purpose of Chengsen College.
我細佬咧有一啲障礙嘅，我希望呢間學校咧可以幫助我細佬，唔使每日咧就6點幾、5點幾，又嘥幾個鐘喺度花費嘅時間去坐船。
I wish that my younger brother did not have to spend over 4 to 6 hours to travel out for school. Why can't we have a school here?
但係呢一樣係真係冇辦法可以接受。係啊，我國際學校。你講翻你啲嘢，講翻嘢。
如果呢度咧，嗰啲人咧周圍吸毒咧，我哋喺邊度玩？
冇地方玩㗎啦
喎！希望我哋梅窩小學畢業就搬咗出嚟南區中學，就唔需要做戒毒所。
Everybody appreciates the need of these teenagers with drug habits, that they need to get help. However, this school in this location is not the right place to do it. This is in the heart of Mui Wo, of an area that is very family orientated, very tourism orientated. This is not the right place. Thank you.
我哋大家都係好支持各位同學嘅需要，只不過係我哋覺得呢個選址係完全錯誤，因為呢一個地方呢間學校係喺正梅窩嘅中心，係我哋家庭成員周圍出嚟買嘢返學嘅地方，所以我哋支持你之餘，我哋都想話俾你聽，呢個係一個錯誤嘅選擇。
好，跟住 我矮啊，我企高啲啲。我有幾個問題咧，就想同台上咧代表教育局嘅同事咧，希望你可以答到我。咁喺呢一間學校咧，當我哋知道佢要被殺校危機嘅時候咧，就04年我已經喺呢間學校同蔡校長想盡辦法去救呢一間學校噶啦。咁冇辦法扭住個命運啦。咁跟住咧就到06年咧，我哋大嶼南咧有成超過20幾30個家長咧就組織咗呢個大嶼南教育呢個社區教育委員會。咁我諗好多家長喺度咧都喺個維康同埋碼頭咧簽過我哋嘅問卷同埋做過個調查。咁嗰個結果咧就係我哋每年咧喺大嶼南區同埋鄰近地方咧係有超過200個小學畢業嘅同學咧係需要喺鄰近地區就讀。咁當時我哋都將呢個研究報告咧呈過俾教育局，亦都同代表即係大嶼南區嘅教育官員對過話。咁咧就好無奈地咧，我哋嘅官員咧就當時咧就用好多呢個營運嗰個財政問題我哋未同知道應該點樣做咁跟住咧就 ignore 咗我哋2年。咁所以呢間學校咧丟空咗2年咧，就唔係呢度冇學額嘅需要，呢度冇學校嘅需要，係我哋嘅教育局嘅官員咧就每年都調咗一個官，於是我哋嘅工作咧就根本就冇辦法繼續爭取落去啦。咁我亦都即係希望教育局其實你本身教育局本身嘅責任咧喺呢一件事件裏邊，呢間學校裏邊咧扮演最重要嘅主導嘅位置。但係我哋從來都聽唔到官員除咗喺答我哋話我呢個財政問題呢個收生不足嘅問題咁樣，但係我唔見到教育司署或者教育局以前嘅教育司署啦，即係而家嘅教育局咧係抌過任何資源喺度改善呢個問題。咁而家呢度將個波咧就掉咗俾正生書院啦咁樣。OK， 咁我哋亦都知道咧，正生書院其實喺06年嗰陣時咧都已經係有意向咧希望申請呢一間學校。但係點解教育局當時唔將正生書院介紹俾我哋大嶼南區所謂各單位代表，我哋一班咁即係熱心要希望將間學校保留俾我哋大嶼南區嘅小朋友就學我哋調查報告裏邊咧就係我哋有數以超過60個小朋友，佢哋每日咧要5點鐘起身，每日花費喺呢個交通上邊，淨係教育每日花費交通上邊咧係要4個鐘頭。呢個4個鐘頭咧係足以俾呢個小朋友咧可以上多啲即係戶外活動同翻去社區度做多啲社區嘅發展有益身心嘅社區交往。但係佢哋呢啲咁樣嘅資源咧就被剝削咗啦。咁另外就係我哋背後教育局，佢哋根本冇一個意向咧，要向我哋大嶼南區咧投放更加多嘅即係改善呢個區嘅教育資源。而家就要將間學校殺咗，跟住就將個責任推咗俾正生書院咁樣。我哋都親自去正生書院去探訪過佢哋嘅學校。我覺得你哋嗰個辦學能力同埋嗰個志向係非常之偉大，佢哋做得非常之好。即係我哋睇呢班小朋友，佢哋做得非常之好。我從來未曾見過其他嘅公立學校咧，佢哋嘅小朋友咧係咁熱愛自己嘅校園。佢哋自己嗰個宿舍咧係好頹廢嘅，即係好爛嘅，爛得好緊要嘅。佢哋30幾個人咧逼埋一間7、8尺嘅房一齊瞓覺。OK， 但係佢哋好熱愛自己嘅生活。我唔見到我哋嘅教育，即係政府辦嘅教育，佢可以教到我哋嘅小朋友咁熱愛自己嘅學校。而家就將呢個責任咧就掉咗俾我哋個區，俾正生院，等我哋兩個喺度爭拗。但係其實最歸嘅呢個責任應該係教育局，大家認為係咪？咁我就想希望教育局咧就答我呢個問題。其實政府有冇意向要擺翻一個正統嘅資源，即係你哋應該要做一個正式嘅研究，去研究我哋大嶼南區每10年佢哋應該每一個小朋友應該投放幾多嘅公共教育資源喺呢度呢？我哋每一個正統嘅青年中心，每一間正正經經嘅學校喺呢度，你仲要我哋即係喺街邊度捱幾耐呢？請你唔該你教育局嘅朋友。
好，簡單英文，唔該。